In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Zoho campaigns. Whether you're managing a small list or just quickly updating your existing audience, these steps are perfect for ensuring your contacts are seamlessly added and organized within your system. Let's get started by heading straight to the Contacts tab in your Zoho campaigns dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to choose the option labeled All Contacts. This is your go-to hub for managing every contact you have within Zoho, providing a comprehensive overview and ensuring you can manage each contact with ease. By seeing all contacts at once, you have the benefit of making informed decisions about who to add or update. Next, direct your attention to the upper section of the page where you'll find a plus button. This represents the Add Contact feature. Clicking on this will initiate the process of adding new contacts to your database, keeping your list fresh and up to date. When you click this button, you'll be presented with a selection of options that allow you to tailor the contact addition process. This flexibility is especially useful if you have specific data points you need to incorporate right from the start. Typically, you'll need to provide basic information like the contact's name, email address, and any other fields that are relevant to your campaign segments or personalization needs. Always double-check the information you enter. Accuracy is key for maintaining a clean and effective contact list. Importantly, Zoho offers a few different methods for adding contacts, some of which might be faster depending on your situation. For instance, if you have a small number of contacts to add manually, entering them one by one might be the best approach. However, if you have a larger batch from an external file, you can take advantage of Zoho's import features and upload a file directly. This is particularly useful if you're transitioning contacts from another platform or updating your list in bulk. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields and are satisfied with the information entered, proceed to save. Zoho will then incorporate this new data into your system, making sure your additions are ready for your campaign endeavors. Remember, keeping your contact list organized and up to date is crucial for successful email marketing campaigns. It helps in refining target audiences, crafting more personalized messages, and ultimately achieving better engagement and conversion rates. Consistent updates and checks on your contact list ensure that your marketing communications remain relevant and impactful. Thank you for watching today's instructional guide on adding contacts in Zoho campaigns. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your digital marketing strategy. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our future content.